Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right in to build an inventory management system using Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, create a new base in Airtable. This is going to be the foundation of your inventory management system. The reason we do this is because Airtable's base acts as a unique workspace where you can manage and visualize your inventory data. Now that we've done that, let's move on to our next step. Start creating tables for each category of your inventory. This could be products, suppliers, orders, and so on. This helps us because it allows us to categorize data for easy access and better organization. Now let's add fields in each table. Fields are like columns in a spreadsheet, and they represent different data types like text, numbers, dates, etc. The reason we do this is to capture all the relevant information related to our inventory, like product name, quantity, price, supplier information, and so on. Next up, it's time to link records between tables. This is a key feature in Airtable that allows us to create relationships between different pieces of data. For instance, you can link a product to its supplier or an order to its corresponding product. This helps us because it establishes connections between data points, making it easier to navigate and understand our inventory. And now we're moving to the final step. Here, we'll use Airtable's Views feature to visualize our data. You can create different views like Grid View, Calendar View, or Kanban View depending on your needs. This is important because it helps us to get a comprehensive overview of our inventory at a glance. And there you have it. You've just built an inventory management system in Airtable. Remember, the key to a good system is keeping it updated and making sure it's tailored to suit your specific needs. Thanks for being with us today, and until next time, keep organizing and streamlining.